what is good and lawful, and act righteously. Indeed, I fully know what you do. 52. Surely this religion of yours is only one, and I am Lord, so fear me alone. 53. Yet people divided it into different sects, each rejoicing in what they have. 54. So leave them, O Prophet, in their heedlessness for a while. 55. Do they think, since we provided them with wealth and children? 56. That we hasten to honor them with all kinds of good? No, they are not ever. 57. Surely those who tremble in awe of their Lord. 58. And who believe in revelations of their Lord. 59. And who associate none with their Lord. 60. And do whatever good they do with their hearts fearful, knowing that they will return to their Lord. 61. It is they who race to do good deeds, always taking the lead. 62. We never require any soul more than what it can afford. And with us is a record which speaks the truth. None will be wrong. 63. But the hearts of those who disbelieve are obvious to all of this, and they have other evil deeds opposite to this, in which they are engrossed. 64. What? As soon as we see their elite with torment, they start to cry for help. 65. They will be told, do not cry for help today. Surely you will never be saved from us. 66. Indeed, my revelations were recited to you, but you used to back away in disgust. 67. Boasting of the sacred house and babbling nonsense about the Quran by night. 68. It is because they never contemplated the word of Allah, or because there has come to them something that did not come to their forefathers. 69. Or because they failed to recognize their messenger, and so they denied him. Or because they say he is insane. In fact, he has come to them with the truth, but most of them are resentful of the truth. 71. Had the truth followed their desires, the heavens, the earth, and all those in them would certainly be corrupted. In fact, we have brought them the means to their glory, but they turn away from it. 72. Or it is because you, O Prophet, are asking them for tribute, but the reward of your Lord is best, for He is the best provider. 73. And surely you are calling them to the straight path. 74. But those who disbelieve in the hereafter are certainly deviating from that path. 75. Even if we had mercy on them and removed their affliction, they would still persist in their transgressions, wandering blindly.